sure to join my group. It's called the Gotcha Group by Princess Lucy 86. 19 members, owner rank. Can we get in? You can look at all the work I have been doing. I've been making all kinds of games for this. I've been trying my best. I have 19 members, and I hope to see you there. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Hello everybody, my name is Leanne. Today I'm going to show you how to look like a YouTuber, which even if you aren't, that's totally okay. If you want to, you totally don't have to do this. I'm just bored, and I'm just doing this because I was bored, and, a lot of people do the same thing. As you can see, I have almost 300 followers. I have 20 friends and 7 following. And for my page, that might look like a YouTuber's page. Channel is April Bunny, that's my bio. Profile trying to look like a YouTuber. Just normal things. I might put about, I don't know for sure though. Just one of normal things. But I'm just a little bored, and I was just bored, so sorry if this video isn't the best. I was really trying to think of ideas, and I was just so confused. This might not all be about, like, how to look like a YouTuber, but I'm actually trying. So I'm going to go to the shop and look for things that I like. You don't have to look like anything else you want. You can be however you want to look like. If people say, oh my gosh, you look ugly, then it's probably going to tag it, so, how would you ever know that that's what they're going to say? But I'm going to try to get more, and I love Five Nights at Freddy's, so I might as well do that. So I'm going to type in 5 Nights at Freddy's, and let's see what we get. Alright, it's loading. Yeah, there's a lot of results right here. Okay, so far we got Mango, Freddy, some nice shirts. My favorite character is Mango, so I'm going to type in, Mango. Let's see what we get, guys. It's loading, taking forever, what? Come on, dude, move it, load. I don't think the viewers are waiting for this. Bruh. Okay, this is taking too long. Literally the other one loaded like 10 seconds later. And you are taking forever. Mango, mango, mango. Mango, 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 mango. Yeah. They don't look like a scam. Ooh, I like this one, but I don't know if it will work. Okay, try on. It looks like it might. I don't know though. Enjoy our breast price. Oh, it worked! We need this. How much is it? I can't tell. It works, but I don't know if it's enough or not. I don't have enough for this, but I'm gonna do it. I have enough that I don't want to waste my Robux. Now we're gonna go. Okay, so we got that on. Now I'm gonna go to my profile. I'm really sorry if I'm quiet. I'm just a little focused, but I'm totally fine. I'm just bored. We might play a game. I really like this hobby game that I actually made a video about. back to me at all. But anyways, if you guys want, you can include the panda, but not a lot of pets. I try ignore the background music because I'm gonna unpause the YouTube video. Anyways, so it should be loading into the game. Okay. Okay, so it is loading the content. Ouch. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, it is loading the content, and I can't see anything. Anyways, so I am in the game, and I'm going to press some things. And I'm going to press this in my character select, luckily. And I will show you my stuff. So I have a new snow bundle, so I don't even know if I Chubby Ginger, I have a I don't even know what this is. What the heck? I never put this. Oh, my sister must have put that in my bio. That's not fair. No, I'm not a scammer. Oh my goodness, no. Anyways, here's the house tour. I have the second house. I have my gaming chair for my channel, which is actually I have the lamp right by my set. So I tried my best with the editing because I have a PC that actually looks exactly like this. And my grandma has a speaker that she lets me use sometimes on my editing when I edit. And then I have this spinny chair that looks pretty much like this. I've never seen the only chair that looks like it. And I have a speaker, which is actually put up right now, and then the lamp. So, you know, that's good. I don't have a green screen though, not yet, because my grandma wants me to get at least 10 subscribers, and she might get me a green screen. But anyways, I have this crib for whenever me and my little sister play. She's 6 years old, almost 7. And I have my bathroom. See, it looks okay. And the kitchen. I actually really like the kitchen. And my room, which I have 2 bunk beds just in case if, sorry about that, 2 beds just in case if another person comes here. I got this little desk with candles on it, and the unicorn with a little pastel tree, and the bed for the doggy. So, hopefully it looks okay. The wallpaper will probably load in a minute.